Today I'm making a video to stick Orca and screen on Samsung A50. Net mode is the universal OCA lamination mode. First we're going to stick Orca. Put glass on the base mode and put this OCA film on the glass to alignment. And then we will stick Orca on the top plate. The vacuum time we change to 15 and hold time we change to 10 seconds. Okay, let's check it. As you can see very clearly, there is no bubble. 要除泡吗? It's okay. We will continue to laminate screen. Okay, now we'll continue to laminate the Samsung A50 screen. As you can see, we take a middle frame. We will use this middle frame to alignment the LCD and laminate the glass with it. Then we also changed the base mode. We put black magic matte on the base mode. No need any lamination mode. Put LCD inside the middle frame and put it well. Make sure it put in right side. Okay, then we will remove the Orca film and put the front glass on the screen. Alignment glass with the middle frame. Don't make the glass touch the LCD too much, otherwise you will leave some dead bubble. Okay, put the glass with the LCD well and take the LCD and put on the base mode to laminate with that black magic matte. The pressure will still keep 1.5 pressure and the vacuum time hold time will keep same. it. There's some bubble on the bottom part. Okay, we will put in bubble remover for 10 minutes. Okay, now we remove bubble for 10 minutes. Let's go and check it. Looks very good. There's no bubble after we remove bubble. Perfect. This is a very good way for you to alignment LCD with the glass on the middle frame if you don't have the mode.